Guys, I bought an ostrich egg. Again, you all know that I like to do different experiments with ostrich eggs. It seems that Timon also likes it. Not my experiments. Here is one of my most popular videos, and the comment section is full of such comments. Well guys, if you don't read the description and don't know how the eggs work, then let's hatch an ostrich from this supermarket egg. Today Timon will help me, since you often ask where he is. When I make a video with molten copper or climb a 40-meter tower, I can't take Timon with me, because it's dangerous for him. I think you understand it. Today a simple video, at least at the beginning. Let's make a nest and Timon just helps, and put the egg there. And now light, but not just light, but a light bulb that will give heat, just like that. Yeah, works perfectly. Looks like Timon also likes it. Well, let's start. Now all we need is to wait 2 weeks.
2 weeks later.
So, after 2 weeks nothing happened? But why? Guys, I hope you do realize that no chicken can be hatched from the supermarket eggs. It's impossible. So, to see the real hatching, I went with my friends to the ostrich farm. Right, a real ostrich farm. Remember my video in which I stood on an ostrich egg? Any ostrich egg can withstand the weight of an adult ostrich, 150 or 200 kilograms. And this is not a pit, it's a nest. And now the question my friend asked the specialist guy, if it is possible to hatch a baby ostrich or a little chicken from an egg that you usually buy in a supermarket. So, my friend is asking whether it is real from the supermarket's eggs that we buy for food to get an ostrich, and the answer is no. Since to get a chicken or an ostrich, the egg must be fertilized, and from the moment of its appearance, it must be in a place with a certain temperature of 16-18 degrees Celsius. Well, do you remember where the eggs are stored in the supermarkets? Where eggs are stored at your home? Right, in the fridge, where the temperature is like plus 5 degrees Celsius. So, it's not true. You can't get a chicken from an egg bought in a supermarket. Well, but do you want to see how we'll end this hatching of the egg? I want to see 1,000 thumbs up under this video. Everything is so simple, right? And now I will go back and watch at these giant birds more. They're so cool. Oh man, just look at this bird. Can you imagine? Such a huge. Just listen to this. They can't fly, but they can run. And you'd better won't stay on their way. Guys, I will show in my next videos the most crazy and unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.